tutorial. First step is to take your plan and arrange it on a line that is going to be your picture plane. Okay? The point at which the plan hits the picture plane is the point at which all lines are going to be to scale later on when you draw it in elevation and perspective. So you have your picture plane, you have your plan, you have the point at which they meet. You bring that line down until a cone of vision that is 60 degrees encompasses the entire plan above. The point at which you finalize the location for that cone is called your station point, and that's where I draw my eye. Through the station point runs the horizon line. Anything on this line now is to scale at the same scale as the drawing. So the height of the building at that corner can be scaled now along this line. I measure 5 feet down from this line to find the ground plane. That point, directly below the point on the floor plan that hits the ground plane, is the bottom of that corner of the building. You measure up to scale at the same scale as the building, however high that corner is. If it's 8 feet, you're measuring 8 feet at the same scale as that building. Now you have to locate your right vanishing point and your left vanishing point, and the way that you do that is you have an angle here and an angle here. Let's call that 40 degrees for argument's sake. You will take a line that's 40 degrees, move it down here to the horizon line, and then project it up to the picture plane, and then bring it straight back down to the horizon line, and that's your vanishing point right. Same exercise over here. If you wanted to call this 50 degrees, you would draw a line 50 degrees off of that, up to the picture plane. Wherever it hit the picture plane, you would bring it straight down to the horizon line. That's your vanishing point left. This line that you have now drawn to scale, the top and the bottom, you can bring back to your vanishing points, and they'll just start to describe the sides of this building. In order to find the end points, you start at that station point, draw a line up to that corner, and where that line intersects the picture plane, you bring that straight down, and that is going to give you the end of that wall at that corner is now there. Same thing here for this corner. You draw a line from the station point up to that corner where it intersects the picture plane. You draw the line straight down, and that gives you that side of that building. To find the center point of either one of these sides, to find a roof peak or any other element, you can graphically draw from corner to corner. The point at which they meet is the center. You draw a vertical line through that. You can do the same thing on this face if you need to. Now, if you need to find the height of a ridge on this line, you scale along this line and come back down to that horizon line, and wherever it crosses that line gives you that exact height. You draw those lines, and you've described the gable end of the roof.